The Banff Emergency Medical Services team demonstrates integrity every day through its commitment to improvement, education, collaboration, and above all, excellent patient care. Recognized for innovation, the team is one of few in the area to have its own education module registered with the Alberta College of Paramedics. This traffic safety model is so important. The information is being shared with other first responders within the Bow Valley, ensuring a coordinated approach to safe scene management. The team has also been working towards improving hand hygiene on ambulances, work not yet done at the provincial level. Their critical evaluation of the practice intends to reduce or eliminate cross-contamination. Patient safety and compassionate care are always priorities for this innovative team. When change happens, the integrity of the materials management team at the Bonnyville Health Centre ensures it is as seamless as possible. Due to restructuring, the emergency department reorganized its supply and stock requirements many times over the last year. The team was honest when discussing its capabilities and limitations and helped ease the transition on frontline staff while meeting all deadlines and schedules. The team also worked with the obstetrical unit to develop a list of specialty non-stock items that must be checked regularly to ensure they are always on hand. The team's knowledge and expertise helped create a solution to ensure care is never impacted due to a lack of supplies. The materials management team sets a high standard, and that means better care for patients. Charlene Warwa is the infection control practitioner at the Edmonton General, and the integrity she brings to this practice continues to keep residents, visitors, and staff safe and comfortable. Her priority is always keeping people safe. Her success comes from her persistence in educating about the importance of hand hygiene as the first line of defense, her commitment to watching for the first signs of potential infection, and her quick identification of infection control issues. Charlene's diligence leads to quick containment and isolation of any areas of concern. While many similar facilities have had to quarantine their buildings, Charlene's dedication to this important work has enabled the Edmonton General to limit any threats of infection to, at most, one isolated unit.
Paula Sharman brings integrity to every aspect of her work as a patient safety practitioner with the medicine, emergency, respiratory, cardiac sciences, and intensive care teams at Grey Nuns. The team's name alone gives some idea of the complexity of her role. Paula's dedication to the safety of patients and staff is matched only by her commitment to support new initiatives and maintain high pre-existing standards. At the heart of it all is Paula's intent to care for people. She works tirelessly to gain insights that will help her find ways to challenge and create better processes. Knowing communication is key to improvement, Paula has developed a number of educational resources to support her teams in doing their very best. If music is the universal language, Justin Whaling speaks volumes through his integrity to the music he plays and the people he shares it with at the Misericordia Hospital. Justin is a volunteer who has been playing piano for patients, staff, and visitors in the hospital lobby since 2008. Anyone who has seen him play will affirm his performing brings great joy to both Justin and his appreciative audience. Justin is a talented musician committed to bringing happiness to others through tunes like The Candy Man and Michael Row the Boat Ashore. He is also legally blind. While he can't see the smiles he creates, he certainly connects to the joy he shares with all who hear him play.
Carrie McKinstry is a leader in orchestrating change, but one thing that never changes is the integrity Carrie brings to her role as manager of organizational development. Carrie navigates major projects by doing what is necessary to achieve the best outcomes. That means taking on all challenges, answering hard questions honestly, rerouting plans when necessary, and educating and listening to staff to ensure everyone is on board with the new plan or direction. With a passion for team development and a commitment to positive change, Carrie is sought after as a coach and mentor. She's led countless team-building workshops and is known for creating safe and comfortable environments where staff can speak honestly, be themselves, and expect truth, respect, and encouragement in return. Kayla Nickel, a registered nurse at Mary Immaculate Care Center, has a commitment to integrity that precedes even her nursing career. Working first as a healthcare aide, Kayla saw the need for HCAs to be better informed about their patients. She pursued the issue, and patients' charts are now printed and shared with HCAs to ensure quality care. As an RN, Kayla continues to champion what is best for patients, whether it's collaborating with a physician to adjust the patient's medications, advocating for quality end-of-life care, or addressing any concerns that the best practices in patient care are being compromised. Kayla is committed to ensuring quality of life and upholding the best possible standards.
Denise Sorrell represents integrity, not only in her role as the site infection control professional at St. Mary's Hospital, but in every relationship she builds with staff and patients. Denise maintains multiple sites in the Central Zone, but she has time for everyone. Her door is always open to listen and answer questions. She is a skilled problem solver who encourages team members to learn and grow by coming up with their own solutions. Always one for a challenge, Denise has helped the site and other sites through outbreaks, providing leadership as well as tools so staff could learn from the experience. She supports staff through many projects, never failing to use her calm and confident manner to guide others to success.
When people step into the cafeteria at St. Joseph's Auxiliary Hospital, they get more than food. Everyone receives a side of caring and respect along with their order, thanks to the integrity that Mary Rose Bensel demonstrates as a food service aide. Mary remembers her customers, including those who come from outside the facility, and will bring them their favorite, even before they order. She goes above and beyond for residents, preparing their orders before they ask and delivering them to their tables. If a resident can't make it down in time for breakfast, she'll have them phone her so she can set their meal aside. Mary's usual phrase, "no worries," demonstrates her patience and respect for everyone she serves.
Susanna Tsui, a registered nurse at Villa Caritas, has been serving vulnerable people for more than 35 years, always with integrity. Her coworkers describe her as compassionate and truthful, and say they feel safe and supported when Susanna's on shift. Patients ask for her even when she's not on duty. Susanna is patient and results-oriented. When the podiatrist refused to serve a patient because of his aggressive behavior, Susanna cut his toenails herself. First training for it, buying the equipment she needed, and staying with the patient for as long as it took for him to agree to allow her to do it. Her coworkers sum it up simply: Covenant Health is a better organization thanks to Susanna. Rebecca Coburn is a nurse practitioner at Youville Home, whose commitment to integrity has gained the confidence of staff and families of residents. Rebecca goes above and beyond. She eased the anxiety and fears of a newly admitted resident and her family, addressing their feelings of sadness after admitting their mother into long-term care. She also supported the frontline staff who felt the frustrations of an unhappy situation. Rebecca collaborates with all staff to ensure everyone has a full picture of residents and their needs. She gives voice to all who provide care, and she makes herself available when difficult cases arise. Rebecca's integrity is recognized by everyone at the Youville home, and they feel lucky to have her.